The Rivers State Governor wey be Siminalayi Fubara, he don effectively take control over the political structures for inside Rivers State, and this dey happen after the massive victory of the Action People's Party wey be APP for inside the local government election wey happen for inside Rivers State. No be small matter, my good people. Reports dey ground say the party wey be APP dem secure an overwhelming victory for the local government area chairmanship seat, and na the chairman of the Rivers State Independent Electoral Commission dey go by the name Justice Adolphus na drop the announcement for inside the office of the Rivers State Independent Electoral Commission wey dey for inside Port Harcourt. As I'm talking to you right now, my good people, many ogbonge country people plus politicians don dey congratulate the Rivers State Governor. Even the retired Lieutenant General wey dey go by the name Kenneth Minima, he na former Chief of Army Staff. He don join other ogbonge country people of the state to give accolade to the Rivers State Governor wey be Siminalayi Fubara for the smooth and successful conduct of the local government elections wey happen on the 5th day of October for inside this year 2024. The man sef come even drop statement about the matter, and for inside that statement, my good people, he come dey praise the Rivers State Governor well o. He come dey yarn say the determination of Oga Fubara to make sure say the elections e happen, e make sense well, no be small. And he come describe the process as a major achievement for Rivers State. And Oga Kenneth come still praise the Rivers State Independent Electoral Commission and the people of Rivers State for their role in ensuring the peaceful and orderly conduct of the elections. But the truth of the matter be say, some kind local government areas for inside Rivers State, the election it was not peaceful, especially Wike local government. Boys come dey shoot anyhow. They no want make the election for hold, but last the thing still make sense and it still go well. Now I know say many countrymen now they go dey wonder why e be say they dey give the Rivers State Governor accolade, why they dey congratulate am when e be say no be im party wey win for the local government elections. Now make I yarn you legit, my good people. You know say currently the Rivers State Governor and Oga Wike wey be Minister of FCT, they get political kwata, understand? And the People's Democratic Party come hand over the PDP Rivers State structure to Oga Wike. This move now, abi this pattern, it no make sense to the loyalists of Oga Siminalayi Fubara. Those men now wey dey support Oga Fubara, they come vex comot from the People's Democratic Party. They come go enter the Action People's Party, maybe APP, and then they come go plaster. And this dey happen before the local government election come board. So even as the thing don be like that, Oga Siminalayi Fubara still dey fight for the smooth conduct of the election, and he come dey describe himself as the greatest loser for the election. And he dey describe himself like that sake say im party, maybe the People's Democratic Party, they no dey participate for the election, the local government election for inside Rivers State. No matter the matter, Oga Siminalayi Fubara he constantly expressed im determination for this in administration to support the cause of sustainable democracy for inside Rivers State. Na there im come vow say he no go tolerate confusion or any attempt to cause instability for inside Rivers State during the election. And no be lie, im do according to how im take promise, because when im receive information say some kind jaguda policemen dey try to bring katakata to the election, they try to allegedly steal the electoral materials so that the thing no go hold for inside Rivers State. When the governor hear that matter, he respond sharply to make sure say they no succeed. And true, they no later succeed, and the election is still hold for inside Rivers State. And na those men now wey dey loyal to Oga Wike wey para comot for the People's Democratic Party, come go the APP. Na dem come win the local government election. And why they congratulate Oga Wike na because these men now wey win the local government election, they are very much loyal to the Rivers State Governor, maybe Siminalayi Fubara. So last the Rivers State structure, it don return to the Rivers State Governor, maybe Siminalayi Fubara. So as the matter don be like this, normally the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, wey be Oga Wike, plus the men wey dey support am, they are not happy about the result of the election, because they know very well say dem try their possible best to stop the election. Now the former Vice President of the People's Democratic Party, in dey go by the name Atiku Abubakar, he don take a swipe at the former governor of Rivers State and the current Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, maybe Oga Wike, and he come dey declare say the people of Rivers State, they don firmly reject political godfathers wey dey seek to serve their interest In dey yarn dis one now dey give Oga Wike, and im dey make dis statement for inside im official social media handle for the popular social media platform wey we know as X. And as we all know, im dey yarn dis one sake of say Oga Fubara na win for the local government election battle while Oga Wike na lose. And according to the PDP chieftain wey be Atiku Abubakar, he said the era of political intimidation and manipulation is now over for inside Rivers State. He said the Rivers people now they don choose to uphold the principles of democracy and reject undue influence. Then Oga Atiku come go dey congratulate the newly elected local government leaders. As in dey congratulate them, he come still dey yarn o. Say the result of the elections na clear indication. Say the people of Rivers State they don grow weary of political leaders wey dey prioritize their ambitions over the welfare of the citizens. Now, he no mention Oga Wike directly o, but the things and things wey im dey talk and how im dey talk am, e dey let the general public know say na the former governor and the current minister of the Federal Capital Territory wey be Wike na im dey accuse of trying to maintain political control of Rivers State. Then after every Oga Atiku come dey urge the newly elected officials to make them prioritize the interest of the general public and make them resist the influence of political godfathers in their governance. Say if dem do all this level, everything go work well for them and it go work well for the Rivers State people. Then Oga Atiku come still give accolade. He come commend the Rivers State governor wey be Fubara for im commitment to ensure a fair and transparent election process even in the face of challenges. And no be lie, my good people, Oga Fubara im try no be small. He don show Oga Wike say him too im get levels for inside Rivers State. Now nobody know whether na RNG, whether na plan work, whether na im instruct the men wey dey loyal to am make dem switch go the APP, abi na the men by themselves just para go sake of say PDP don hand over Rivers structure give Oga Wike, na why dem come switch. But no matter the matter, the decision it makes sense well because last the structure e don land for the table of the Rivers State governor wey be Fubara, and at this point in time e no get anything wey Wike or im boys they wan do about the matter. So when Oga Fubara say enough is enough, na time go tell make we know the extent or how im go take challenge Oga Wike reach, because true enough is enough. But the thing is say this their political beef now many just sit down for one side dey look how the thing go take end, and it go make sense if they end the battle as soon as possible. You understand? Anyhow the cocoa be for body, my good people, feel free make it drop am inside our comment section. Now we be Anointed Lady TV, and now we dey give una legit information on the things and things wey dey sup for inside we nation Nigeria. So if you like this information and you would like to receive more, try make you subscribe to this channel and try make you put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring the news they come, I go first receive the updates and you go get them sharp. And they come your side again with another legit information for you, my good people. Abeg, no go anywhere.